Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'll be telling you guys how I afforded a BMW at 19. And I know it's not like the craziest thing to buy a car like this at 19. You know, for some people think it is, some people think it's like not that special, but you know, for me it is, because I've always wanted one of these cars. So I'll just be telling you guys like some things I do, like how I afforded the car, like how I managed to pay for it. And I own the car, it's not being financed or anything, and it's my money that bought it. So I'll just be telling you guys what I do to afford it, and you know, maybe give you guys any tips, you know, I can give you throughout the video. But yeah, I won't make it too long. I'll just get to the point, you know, tell you guys straight up what I do, how I make the money to afford the car. But yeah, so first of all, I have to say, you guys have to be able to save, right? Because no way you're gonna buy a car like this if you're not saving. No way you're gonna buy like any car at all if you don't save, you know, because cars aren't cheap. So you got to be able to save. But you know, that's kind of like common sense pretty much. But the first thing I do to make money is I have a job, so that's the first thing. But just having a job, I wouldn't say like it's not gonna pay for the car, because if you check out like you have to be saving for way too long. If you have like, if you're like a teenager, you're not going to be able to get like a high-end job, so you're going to get a minimum wage job probably, and it's going to take forever to save up to get the car. And when you get the car, you have to remember that you have to buy gas, you have to pay insurance, and you know, you have to maintain the car as well. So a job isn't gonna really do it. I mean, you'll probably be able to afford a cheaper car, or like no offense, but like a smaller car you may be able to afford. But like a BMW is more pricey, it's way more expensive to maintain and stuff. So like a minimum wage job, it's possible, but I wouldn't recommend doing it, because then you'll just pretty much you'll be at a huge risk of like losing the car or like going in debt or something. So I wouldn't recommend just getting the car if you have a job. But yeah, that's one source of income for me. I have a job, but then on the side, I've been saving for years, so I have other investments that make me money. So that's what I use. That's the money I use to buy the BMW. And from my job, the only thing I do with the money from my job is pretty much pay for insurance, buy gas, you know, pretty much stuff like that. So the money from my job does all of that, but it didn't buy the car. And yeah, it pretty much pays for all of that. And if I need extra money, I still have money from my investments. So I won't go into details what exactly my investments is, but I'll just say like, you know, it's something I invested in. It's not like stocks or nothing. It's actually like a physical asset, and it makes me money from people renting it out. I won't say specifically what, but it's pretty much something like that, you know, some asset I own that people rent out, and I have a few of them. So you know, I keep buying more and more, because you know, more people want them, and pretty much that, you know. So I make money from that. And also I just started a new company for myself, and I already made my first sale. I will tell you guys more about the company, because it's going to be coming on like my channel a lot, you know, it's going to be on YouTube a lot. But it's kind of like brand new right now. I just started like 2 weeks ago, so it's kind of brand new. So that's why I haven't told you guys about it yet. But I started that company, so I make money. Well, I can say I make money from it because I already made a sale. But you know, it's brand new, but it's a new thing that I started. So that's going to be another source of income for me. And from my YouTube videos, I am not monetized, so I don't make money from YouTube, but I have an Instagram page as well. And sponsors, like I don't get paid from YouTube, but people reach out to me for sponsorships where I get like I get a commission if people use my code to buy things. So I get a little bit of money from that. Nothing crazy, but I mean, you know, it's something. Sometimes I use that money to buy like small mods for my car, or sometimes I use it to get gas, maybe like once a month. But you know, it's still something. Nothing crazy, but it's still something. So I make money from that, from commissions, from sponsorships. And my channel is super small, and I already have like a sponsor that I made a good amount of money off it already. Like nothing crazy, but you know, it is good for a small channel. So I made money from that. And another thing I do affiliate marketing. So when I had the Lexus, I'm not sure how many of you guys used to watch me then, but I used to have like a bunch of parts on the Lexus that like no one could get a hold of. And I used to put the links for them, like Amazon links, or like, you know, I usually put the links for them, affiliate links. And then I made money from those links. It's just like a commission I get from when people use my links to buy the stuff. So it's pretty similar to like the sponsorships, but it's not really a sponsorship, it's just affiliate marketing. So I made some money from affiliate marketing. You know, those links, they still make me money to this day. Like not a lot though, because I don't make video on the Lexus no more, but I still make money from those. Nothing crazy, but you know, it's still something, so it all counts. So my point is, the point I'm trying to get across is, you know, that's pretty much how I afforded the car. So if you guys want to afford a car like this, like I said, don't get a car like this if you just have a minimum wage job. If all your income is going on the car, like if your income is the same amount as expenses, then don't do it, because I'm telling you, shit can happen with these cars. I bought this car and literally less than a week after, the engine went out. I had to spend, in total I spent 15,000 Canadian to get the new engine and install it and everything. $15,000 just for that. So if you guys have a minimum wage job and you spend your last money in the car and then something like that happens to you, then you know you're pretty much fucked, because like 15K is like, that's not a small amount of money to just find to fix a car. So you know, that's what I'm saying, that like if you have a minimum wage job, don't do it. It's not worth the risk, trust me. And it still fucking affected me big time. You know, that's a big loss for me. 15,000 on an engine, that's crazy. Not 50, 15. But yeah, so pretty much that's what I'm trying to get across to you guys. So like, if you want to get a car like this, make sure you have another source of income. You know, if you have one job, that's good, because it makes you money, the job makes you money, but you have to be doing something on the side. Like maybe if you get 2 jobs, then it will be better, because then you'll have extra money in case anything happens. But you know, working 2 jobs is kind of crazy though. But you know, if you guys can manage to make like money on the side from something else, I'm telling you, do it, and then you'll be more comfortable like owning a car like this, because it's not cheap to own a car like this. Like the Lexus though, the Lexus was good. Nothing ever happened to the Lexus. So if you guys want to buy a nice car, like pretty fast and stuff, buy a more reliable brand than BMW, like maybe a Toyota, a Honda, like Lexus, because you know Lexus is Toyota. You know, those are way more reliable, so it's less of a risk. So the Lexus was way easier for me to like afford and maintain, and all of that. It was way cheaper as well. But you know, now I own this, and this is why you guys are watching the video. Maybe you want to buy a BMW yourself, but yeah, don't buy it if you just have a minimum wage job. You have to get another source of income. So for me, just to summarize it all, that's pretty much the point of the video though, but just to summarize it all, I have a job, so that's one source of income. I have the assets that I make money from. I do affiliate marketing. I make money from sponsorships. I have this new company I just started, and fuck, what else? I feel like there's something else that I'm not remembering. But I do other things too on the side, like, you know, sometimes I do sports betting. You know, that's kind of like gambling. I'm not sending you guys to go gamble, but I'm just telling you guys what I do to make money. Don't go spend all your money on sports betting. I'm telling you, it's not as easy as it sounds. You can lose a lot of money from it. But I do things on the side. You know, sometimes I sports bet. Sometimes there's small things that can make me a quick cash, and then I just do it to make the money, you know. But the main point is, the main things I do for money, like consistently right now, is the assets I have. I have a job, and I go to school as well. So, you know, I have a job and I go to school. Obviously, school doesn't make me any money, but, you know, like, I'm just showing you guys that you don't have to have a full-on job. My job isn't full-time, it's part-time because I go to school. And yeah, so I go, it's super hard to talk and focus while like driving, because like, damn, they don't even have a stop sign. I find the street so dumb. But yeah, my main sources of income right now is my job and the assets I have. Affiliate marketing, I'm not sure if I'm going to consider it like a main source of income, but it is, because I've been making a little bit of money from it for like a good little while now. So, you know, you could say it is, but I don't think I'm going to be doing it for long term. But right now it is a main source of income. The sponsorship that I have and the new company I just started, as I said, I'm going to tell you guys about it like a lot, because it's something to do with my channel. You know, it's something to do with cars. I'm going to tell you guys about it. I'm probably going to make like a video dedicated to that, or like, you know, I'm going to tell you guys about it soon. It's just because it's brand new, you know, it's not fully done yet, so I don't want to like say too much about it. I want to show you guys it when it's done, and like, you know, you have a better understanding of what it is. But yeah, I just started that. That's going to be a main source of income. Right now it is, but I've only made one sale, if I'm being honest, and you know, that's a pretty good achievement to me, because, you know, I already got a sale and the business is pretty new. So that's going to be a main source of income though, I know for a fact, because I'm going to be working on that a lot. So yeah, that's all I do for money right now pretty much. And yeah, so it's a lot, you know, it's a lot of work to do a lot of stuff like that. But I mean, you know, in order to buy a car like this, like, that's what you have to do, right? You can't be spending your last on a car like this. You have to have like other things that's bringing you income. So yeah, that's pretty much all I do. You know, I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, I'm not even halfway like where I want to be in life. You know, I'm fucking grateful because I have a BMW at 19. It's always been my dream car, and I'm very grateful for everything. But I'm not even half of where I actually want to be. So I know maybe like where I am sounds like a hard point to get to, but no, it's not. Like last year, I wasn't even in this position last year. You know, I was just building, just kept working on myself, you know, got a job, you know, try to find more sources of income, try to grow the ones you currently have. But yeah, that's pretty much all I do. So if you guys have any questions, you know, leave it in the comments. And like I said, it's nothing crazy to buy a BMW at 19, but for those of you guys who want to know how I did it, then this video is for you. And I'm almost 20 though. I'm turning 20 in December. Today is November 10th that I'm making this video. November 10th, 2023. I'm gonna be 20 next month in December. So, you know, I'm almost 20. I bought this car like maybe like 3 months ago. So, you know, when I was 19, you know, I'm still 19, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.